guys, it's Ashley and I'm at our newest listing, 369 Northrup Avenue here in Holts Summit, Missouri. This is a great home, very well maintained. When you walk in, you're going to notice newer, beautiful laminate flooring and a nice big open floor plan with a fireplace in the living room. The kitchen is open to the living room and it is an eat-in kitchen, so nice and big. Off the kitchen, you're going to notice a fabulous deck with overlooking a beautiful flat backyard. On the main level, you'll also find laundry, which is wonderful. There are 3 bedrooms on the main, and then in the basement, you also have a finished family room and another bathroom. 2-car garage as well. Another great thing about this home, the primary suite, you are going to absolutely love the walk-in closet. Nice and big and a great bathroom there too. So sit back and enjoy the tour.